The moment the mixer starts, something shifts. The kitchen fills with rhythm, not just of sound, but of focus, of heart. This is where magic begins. Not with a wand, but with a whisk. Because baking isn't a hobby for those who choose this path. It's a form of devotion. Every batch mixed is a decision to keep going. Every ingredient added is a symbol of balance between work and dreams, life and passion. These cakes don't just feed the body, they feed the soul. They are made from late nights, big dreams, and the fire to keep learning. This is not just a cake, it's a statement that beauty can be built from flour and faith, and that the woman behind it all, she's not just a baker, she's a builder of joy, of hope, of legacy. Loved the cake? Tap like, share the sweetness with your friends, and hit subscribe. Your support truly helps me keep creating more beautiful cakes just for you.